Hi, I'm Georgia from Little Miracles Blaxland, and today we're going to show you how we make Play-Doh. So I've got our ingredients ready. First we start off with flour. So I've measured out 2 cups of flour, which we pop in the bowl. Next we need about 1 cup of salt. The next ingredient is cream of tartar, which actually has a recipe on the back as well. So we're going to put 4 tablespoons of this in. There we go. And then we need some oil. So we put about 2 tablespoons in, not too much because we don't want it too oily. Go. And then we add water. So you can use hot water or cold water. I've got some cold water from the tap, and we find that if you put the food colouring into the water, it makes it easier for the Play-Doh to change colour. And then you pour it in, starting off with 1 cup of water, mixing it in. And then from here you can add as much water or flour that you need to make the right consistency. And as you keep stirring and adding, it should change into Play-Doh that looks a bit like this. Thanks for watching.